Ever wondered why your 200 megapixels phone camera defaults to 12 megapixels photos? It is all about a clever technology called pixel binning. Let's explore how it unlocks better low-light photography in this video. Packing millions of pixels into a smartphone sensor creates a physical problem. These pixels become tiny, often under 0.8 micrometers. Because they are so small, they struggle to capture enough light, which leads to noisy, dark, and grainy photos in dim environments. The hardware solution to this problem is creating a superpixel. The camera sensor groups these tiny, adjacent physical pixels together, allowing them to merge and act as one larger pixel. This significantly increases their ability to capture light signals. Here's the math. For a 48 megapixel sensor, a 4-in-1 grouping means 4 pixels combine into one. While the total megapixel count of the resulting file drops to 12 megapixels, the light capturing capability of each effective pixel is multiplied by 4. Premium phones push these limits even further with 9-in-1 binning. Using Nona-Bayer arrays, these sensors merge 9 neighboring pixels into one large superpixel. This process delivers 9 times the light sensitivity, resulting in stunning 12 megapixels images. For the ultimate night shot, 200 megapixel sensors use 16-in-1 binning. This technology merges 16 individual pixels into one massive superpixel, creating unparalleled low-light performance while outputting a clean 12.5 megapixels image. In essence, pixel binning gives you 2 cameras in one device. You get a high-resolution mode for maximum detail and good light, and a pixel binning mode for maximum light, reduced noise, and better dynamic range in darker conditions. The impact on your photography is significant. You get brighter images with less noise and better dynamic range, though the trade-off is a lower resolution file and the reliance on complex software algorithms to process the data. Smartphone cameras actually borrow this science from the stars. Originally developed for astronomy, pixel binning was used by telescopes to capture faint light from distant galaxies. Today, engineers have shrunk that billion-dollar science to fit in your pocket. This technology is a staple of modern flagship devices. From Samsung's 200 megapixel sensors using 16-in-1 binning to the 48 megapixel sensors in the iPhone Pro models, manufacturers are using these methods to improve your daily photography. The best part is that the phone does the hard work for you. The process is entirely automatic, with the image sensor constantly measuring environmental lighting and activating the binning mode the moment you step into a dim room. If you are shooting in bright sunlight, you can take advantage of your sensor's full resolution. Just head into your camera settings and toggle on the high-resolution mode to capture all those megapixels for maximum detail. Remember, light creates the photo, not just pixels. Pixel binning is all about trading raw resolution for actual image quality. Often, 12 megapixels of perfect light is better than 200 megapixels of dark, noisy data. With the world's best smartphone cameras at your fingertips, you have the power to capture great shots in any condition. Thank you for watching this guide on how pixel binning helps you take better photos.